Hello, welcome to Be Yoga Connection. I'm Master Energy Medicine Yoga teacher Brittany, and today we're flowing through a short 5-minute flow to reduce the stress and tension in our shoulders. So we're going to be creating some space and openness in our shoulder girdle. So let's get started. Find a comfortable seat and start to check into the breath. In through the nose, out through the nose. And we're going to start with a little neck massage. So taking both hands to the back of the neck, push in and massage to the back of the neck, the side of the neck. Notice if you feel any spots of tension here. Maybe there's a little bit of soreness. Finding those areas. Breathing into those areas. And creating a little bit of space. Perfect, and shake that off. We're going to take the opposite hand to the opposite side of the neck. We're going to push in and pull across the neck to the shoulder. Opposite hand to opposite side of the shoulder. Push in and pull across to the shoulder. Let's do this a few more times here. Push in and pull across. So we're increasing our crossover pattern here at the same time that we're releasing some of the stress and tension in the neck. Perfect, and shake that off. Shake any excess energy off, and we're going to take that same action to the shoulders. So let's start just with a little shoulder massage, maybe in between the shoulder blades on the back body if you can reach. Whatever pressure feels good to you as well. So maybe it's a deep pressure, maybe it's just a really light touch today. And feel free to open and close the eyes as it feels good through this practice. Perfect. Shake that off. Now we're going to take that opposite hand to the opposite shoulder. Big squeeze. Allow the fingertips to come over top of that big bulky shoulder muscle and back down to the hips. We're kind of slicing through the body here, crossing through the center line of the body. Let's do one more each side. Squeeze, then allow the hand to cross through the center line and shake that off. We're going to bring our shoulders to our ears. A nice big squeeze here, and then exhale to release. 2 more. Perfect. Let's find some organic movement through the neck. So we're maybe going to find half circles or full circles. But I really want you to focus the breath into the shoulder, into the tops of the shoulders here. Trying to lengthen the space from the bottom of the earlobe to the top of the shoulder. Let's start to take a little bit of movement into the shoulders here, so into the torso. Bring the tips of the shoulders in towards center line. So creating space between the shoulder blades and the back body. Inhaling back to center, exhaling, bringing the shoulder blades together on the back side of the body. Exhale to center. Inhale, pull in to center line. Exhale to center. Inhale. Bring the shoulder blades back together. Exhale to center. Let's take a couple more of these. Inhale towards center line. Exhale to center. Inhale towards the center line of the back body. Exhale back to center. And then let's take a couple of arm circles. Let's bring the arms out to a 90 degree. We're going to take some baby arm circles forwards and then backwards. Now then, let's take one hand forward and one hand backward. A little bit of a mind challenge here. Perfect. Now pause. The forward hand now goes backwards, and the backwards hand's now going forwards. Yes, perfect. Building a little bit of strength here in our shoulder girdle. One more breath. Shake that off. Bring the hands out long in front of you. We're going to take the backs of the hands together. And then extend the fingertips towards the front of your mat, to the front of the room, wherever you're at, and breathe in between the shoulder blades. Bring shoulders back to center. Cross at the elbows and bend the elbows to a 90-degree for eagle arms. For a little bit more, let's reach the fingertips to the sky. And back to center. Release the twist, release the arms. Let's take a couple of shoulder circles, forwards, backwards, maybe a couple of neck twists here. Back to center. Now then, take the arms out in front. Opposite hand reaches over this time. Backs of the hands together. And then reach the fingertips to the front of the room. Breathing in between the shoulder blades. Awesome. Now cross over a little bit further at the elbows and bend to a 90-degree. Maybe the hands clasp and maybe they don't. And then reach the fingertips up to the sky for a little bit more intense of a stretch here for eagle arms. One more breath. And release. Back to center, unwind, and take a couple of shoulder circles forward, shoulder circles backwards, maybe shoulders up to ears, and exhaling to release. And start to close the eyes. And check into the area of the shoulders. How do the shoulders feel in this moment? Are you feeling any more openness, any more space in the shoulder area? Guide your breath into this area. Maybe it's the tops of the shoulders if that's what's carrying most of the tension for you, or maybe it's in between the shoulder blades if that's where you carry your stress and tension. And guide the full breath wherever it needs to go in the shoulder girdle. With each inhale breath, allow space to be created here. Expansion. And on the exhale, releasing any tension, any stagnant energy that's being held here, release that on the exhale. Let's take 3 more breaths. Inhale, creating space. Exhale to release tension. One last time. And start to flutter the eyes back to open. Thank you for joining me for this short flow to release stress and tension in the shoulders. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more yoga videos like this, and hit the bell so you're notified of all new videos. See you soon. Stay connected.